Hello everyone, my name is Matt Lathram. I got a little tutorial here for you. I'm a big advocate of my websites working with and without JavaScript. I know it's very rare that anybody has JavaScript disabled, but there's still a small percentage, I think it's like 5% of people who don't have JavaScript enabled, and if they go to your website and your website's heavily dependent upon JavaScript, they're going to be kind of left out because they won't be able to view a lot of your content, especially if you have like tab boxes or something that function with JavaScript with JQuery or something. It's going to be really hard for them to use your site. They're only going to be able to get a little bit of the content. So this is a technique I've learned to set up your site so that when JavaScript is disabled, you can redo your styles pretty easily using and I'm going to use JQuery to do this. Funny enough, I'm using JQuery to show you how to work with disabled JavaScript, but it all makes sense in a little bit. So let's get right into it. Right here I have a page already set up. I have this green box that says JavaScript is enabled, and then red one says JavaScript is disabled. Obviously, when JavaScript is enabled, I only want the green box to appear, and when it's disabled, I only want the red box to appear. So I've set up this page right here. Here's a source for it. Got my jQuery already downloaded and put into the site, and then I got a little global style sheet I made for it. Right here, I got that div with the JavaScript is enabled. This is the green one, and I got the red one, which JavaScript is disabled. Here are my styles for it. I got the JS is the global styles for both of these divs, and then enabled and disabled with the background color green here, background color red there. Now, what I want to do first is I want to set this up for Noscript. Now, how we're going to do that is we're going to give the body a class of Noscript. So by default, the body will have a class of Noscript, and by default you can render your Noscript styles. What we're going to do with jQuery is a little trick that I learned. We're going to put a script right after the body, so that right after the body is loaded, this script loads. And what we're going to put in here is we're going to use jQuery. We're going to select the body, and we're going to .remove class, and inside of that we're going to put Noscript. So if JavaScript's enabled, this Noscript tag is going to be removed, and if JavaScript is disabled, nothing's going to happen. The Noscript tag is going to stay there. I think you see where I'm going with this. We'll set up our styles now. Obviously when I refresh, nothing's happening yet because I still need to set up my styles. So by default, Noscript's enabled. So when Noscript is enabled, I want to hide this enabled box. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up our Noscript styles. Noscript enabled. And in here, we're going to give it a display of none. So now, when I refresh, or no, hold on. And by default, actually, we want the disabled to, like, when there's no Noscript class on that body, we want the disabled to be hidden. So by default, we're just going to go ahead and set the display on that disabled to none. So when you refresh, that disabled one is gone. So but what we're going to do is we're going to also set up a Noscript style for the disabled. Noscript.disabled, and we're going to give it a display of inherit so that it reappears, or we'll give it a block so that it will reappear when Noscript is enabled. Now, that is it, and watch what's going to happen when I try this out. Okay, refresh. JavaScript is enabled right now, but let's disable JavaScript. All script, refresh, bam, JavaScript is disabled. Isn't that awesome? All you had to do is put that little piece of code right there to remove that class from the body. It's weird. You're using JavaScript to set up Noscript styles, and that's it. It's as simple as that. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and I really hope you use it. I use it all the time on my sites. It's really helpful. So enjoy this, use it, and good day.